Hello guys, welcome to Angular series, and in this video I will talk about Angular components and Angular module. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. What is Angular component? Components are the main building blocks for Angular applications. So every Angular project consists of many components, and each component consists of an HTML template that declares what render on the page. It is our HTML file, and also it contains a TypeScript file with the extension of .ts. TypeScript class defines the behavior of your component, and also it contains a CSS. It is a selector that defines how the component is used in a template. It designs your component, and optionally CSS styles apply to the template. Yeah, and it contains also another file which is testing file with the extension of spec.ts. I will show you in Angular project. Just a minute, I'm going to open. In the last video we created an Angular component which is home. See, home, and it contains four files: home.component.css, which is our style file, home.component.html, and home component.spec.ts, which is for testing, and home component.ts. It defines the behavior of your component. And we also learned how to create components. There are two ways to create components. One, you can manually right click and you can create component, but I will recommend you to use Angular CLI by writing ng, just a minute, ng, okay, it is caps lock, ng generate or shortcut form. Okay, let me generate component, and now the name of the component. For example, I'm going to create a component for login. Enter. See, it's created four files. Okay, and also updated the app module.ts, which is our module. And if we refresh, see, I created one component which has four files. And you can also create a component by writing shortcut form ng. G is for generate, and C for component, and the name of the component, for example, a header. See, I created a component for header which has four files. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can create components. And yeah, and now I'm going to talk about modules. What is modules? Module is a mechanism to group components, directives, pipes, and services that are related in such way that can be combined with other modules to create an applications. An Angular application can be thought of as a puzzle, where each piece is needed to be able to see the full picture. And I will also show you how to create modules. Okay. We learned how to create components, and we created also two components: header, home, and login. Three components actually. And now I will show you how to create modules. Okay, I'm going to create modules inside the header folder. So I have to change the directory header or home cd. Okay, just a minute, where I am. Cd okay. Cd source app, and now I can choose my component home. Now I am inside a home component. Here I am going to create a module, ng generate module. Okay, and now the name of your module, for example, home. See, I created a module. Yeah, that's how you can create module. If I open the folder of home, as you can see, I created a folder, and inside the folder I have home.module.ts. And you can also module is used to group your components, and you can for example, you can use this module inside the app module.ts. That's how you can group components with each other and make your Angular applications. Yeah, that's it, and I hope. And now you can also I will show you the shortcut forms, ng-gm, and now the name of the module. Let me change the directory. cd for example header. Here ng-gm, for example, header. G generate m for module. Enter. See, that's how you can create components in Angular, how you can create modules in Angular. I hope you will like it. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. It motivates me to make more videos, and here I'm just sharing my knowledge. That's it. I hope you will like it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.